today I'm going to be unboxing some things that I ordered from two small businesses. I ordered from Klaw Beauty Collection and I also ordered from Yaaas Queen Cosmetics. So I'm going to unbox the items on camera and show you guys what it is that I got. So the first thing that I ordered was from Klaw Beauty Collection. Her items come in this nice blue rubber mailer. As y'all saw in my last video, this is my second time ordering from this business. She did add some new things to her site. She started off with press-on nails, and now she offers 8D mink lashes. They're 25 mm, and she also has some jewelry as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. Ooh, I've been waiting to open this. I was waiting for my other order to come in, and it was sitting here for a couple days, and I'm just like, oh my god, I want to open it already, but I decided to wait. Okay, OMG, these are cute. All right, so these are her lashes. They come in this really nice packaging. It has her logo, Klaw Beauty Collection, on there, and these ones are in the style Essence. OMG, these are really cute. Well, you know, let's open that up. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys close up. Like, they're really fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is what it looks like. But to get like the full idea of how fluffy they are, look at that. Can you imagine that on the eyes? I don't mind my nails. I ain't putting no nails on today. But these are so pretty. I want to put them on. Hold on, y'all. Bam! Oh my god. They're really fluffy. Like, these lashes are not heavy at all. I can tell you that. They're not heavy at all. Like, they're really light and fluffy. Yeah. Let me put the other one on. Hold on one second, okay? BRI'S onto something. 8D. I have never heard of 8D lashes before. Like, I've heard of 3D, 5D. But 8D? Okay, now. It's some next level. What? I like these. I'm gonna have to order more. These are so nice. Look how it transformed me, okay? I was a 0 and now I'm a fucking 10. Yeah, she gave me a little gift with my order, because I don't remember ordering this one. I'm not sure I did. I think this is a free gift, but this is also on her site, you guys. OMG. And this one also is available in a gold color. Also ordered some rings, you guys. I ordered a 7-piece set ring, and I ordered this ring, and oh my god, I was really excited when I saw this, because I was like, this is cute. It is so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed. And the quality is amazing. It's not flimsy at all. Okay? Like, look at that. Now imagine if I had my nails on. I do have a few nails that I'm saving for a special occasion, because I've been working a lot with my hands with my small business. But look at this. That is so pretty. What? Yes. This is the 7-piece set. I'm gonna put them on for you guys. It's really cute. Like, these are really cute. I am a ring girl, okay? I love everything about rings. I don't know about y'all. This is the 7-piece set. It's really, really pretty. I am obsessed, y'all. I am obsessed, okay? When I put my nails on, what? I'm gonna be And this is the other ring. It's a butterfly ring, and it's in rose gold. Yes, she did her thing. Bri did her thing with this this drop. Okay, she did her thing with this. These new items on her site. Okay, like these lashes are everything. I gotta do my eyebrows, y'all. Don't talk about my eyebrows, but okay. The next company is from Yaaas Queen Cosmetics, and it came in a box like this. And now I'm gonna open it. Open the tape up. Oh crap! Let me open this tape. Open the box up. Okay, she secured this thing. She secured it. It can't nobody get in this package. Okay, anybody gonna steal nothing. She made sure. Oh my gosh. So when you first open it, this is what it looks like. It's really cute. Cute packaging. There's a thank you card. Alright, so it says thank you for your purchase. Be sure to follow us on Instagram to get notified of sales and new arrivals. So I had ordered the Me Time Spa box, and it was $25. Alright, so she has some cute crinkle paper here and some tissue paper. Okay, this is a whole experience right now. I'm getting a whole experience. Products here. The first thing that I got, ooh, this is nice. I got this warm vanilla sugar cookie whipped body butter. I'm gonna open this and smell it because y'all, warm vanilla sugar cookie, anything warm vanilla, anything vanilla scented period is, I love it. Okay. Y'all, I'm gonna put some on right now. Ooh, this is nice. It is fluffy. I'll show you guys what it do. Oh my god, that's really moisturizing. And it smells really, really good, guys. It smells like, literally, it smells like a sugar cookie. What? Okay, that is, look at my ashy arm compared to my little moisturized one. Okay, it feels really good. It's not sticky at all, guys. I also got the warm vanilla sugar cookie foaming sugar scrub. Go ahead and open that. Smell it. Oh my god, I'm telling you, I love this scent. I'm gonna just put it on the inside of this arm just to get a feel of it. It's definitely exfoliating and moisturizing. Like, it's not dry, like it's very moisturizing at the same time. I'm gonna use this later on today because the girl gotta shave her legs, y'all, and you know I get razor bumps, so I'm gonna use this before I shave. Ooh, the rose oil. This is really cute. Comes in this little dropper bottle. Open it up. This smells good. And I think it says you can use this for your face and body, and I'm gonna try it on my face right now. Okay. Put it on this side. Ooh, yes. That feels good. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Like, I don't feel like my face is sticky. I like this. I really like this, and it's really cute. And oh, she gave me her business card. What is this here? And a cotton candy lip scrub. It comes in a container like this, and you take the top off. Oh, it smells good. It smells like cotton candy, like the cotton candy ice cream. Go ahead and check them out. I'll leave everything in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe with anyone and everyone. You know what I'm saying? Join the family. I will be launching my business on January 17th. Save the date, y'all. January 17th. January 17th. January 17th. Oh my God, I almost knocked my phone over. January 17th, I'm going to be launching. So go ahead and go to www.nani'sbeauty.com. It'll be in the description below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.